Hello, my name is Emily Maley, and I want to spend a few minutes talking about our new Bachelor of Science degree in Public Health, which is being offered through the Department of Kinesiology here at Kansas State University. Before I talk about the degree program specifically, I wanted to spend a minute defining public health. Public health is the science of protecting and improving the health of people and their communities, which is achieved by promoting healthy lifestyles, researching disease and injury prevention, and detecting, preventing, and responding to infectious diseases. Overall, public health is concerned with protecting the health of entire populations. And these could be as small as a local neighborhood or as big as an entire country or region of the world. Rather than treating individuals after they become sick or injured, public health professionals try to prevent problems from happening or recurring through implementing educational programs, recommending policies, administering services, and conducting research. Public health also works to limit health disparities. So a large part of public health is promoting healthcare equity, quality, and accessibility for all. Listed here are the 5 core areas of public health, and students who pursue a degree in public health will take courses that cover all of these topics. First is epidemiology, which is the study of diseases within populations, and that includes disease patterns, detection, causes, and control of chronic and infectious disease epidemics. Social and behavioral sciences examines the behavioral, social, and cultural issues that contribute to public health issues. Environmental health sciences focuses on how the environment affects human health, and that includes biological, physical, and chemical factors. Health policy and management is concerned with the delivery, quality, and cost of healthcare for individuals and populations from a managerial and policy perspective. And finally, biostatistics addresses pressing health issues by analyzing and interpreting data, and then applying mathematical and statistical formulas to solve public health problems. In addition to those core courses, public health majors will take a number of additional core courses which are listed here. So all students will start with the Intro to Public Health course, which provides a broad survey of public health topics that will be covered throughout the degree curriculum. And then all students will complete their degree with a 3-course series consisting of a seminar, practicum, and capstone projects in public health. And these are designed to give students real-world experience in public health settings. So they're getting out in the community and working with public health professionals. The other core courses include health communication, helping relationships, social determinants and diversity, which addresses health disparities and social inequities, and public health biology, which covers fundamental concepts of infectious disease. In terms of career opportunities available to students who pursue this degree, these are some of the career paths that are available for students after obtaining the bachelor's degree in public health. So this is not an exhaustive list, but you can see that there are lots of opportunities to pursue different career pathways based on their interests. Some of these, like a health educator or a fitness and wellness coordinator, focus on working with people, whereas others, like a biostatistician or epidemiologist, are more focused on analyzing data. So students can pursue careers based on their interests and strengths. We know many of our students are also interested in continuing their education, and the public health degree provides an excellent foundation for a lot of graduate and professional career pathways as well. So students intending to go into health professions like physical therapy, occupational therapy, or pursuing a degree or a program as a physician assistant or going to medical school will get an excellent foundation by getting a bachelor's degree in public health. Outside of healthcare specifically, there are multiple other graduate pathways that students can pursue, and those are listed here on the right-hand side of the screen. So why should you choose a degree in public health? First, it's a rapidly growing field. We know there's lots of job potential. Public health is at the forefront of people's mind right now. And so students who major in public health are likely to have great success finding jobs after they graduate. The curriculum provides an understanding of multiple determinants of health, which is a really important perspective for students who are going into health-related fields to take with them. It's concerned with population health. So for those who are interested in having a broad impact by creating policies or changing environments, the public health degree allows you to do that. The course content goes beyond physical activity. Physical activity is the focus of most of our kinesiology courses. But if your interests are a little bit more broad than that, then the public health degree exposes you to lots of different health-related topics. And finally, we have a lot of students who know they want to do something related to health or something related to helping people, but they're not quite sure exactly what that is. And this degree program will provide students with a broad exposure to lots of different public health or health-related topics, create lots of potential career pathways, and allow students to really explore and pursue what they're interested in. Thank you.